what is up, guys? So I am here. I'm going to start talking about the car. I'm going to keep it a short and simple video. So today I'm going to talk about the car, the updates, why the bumper's off, So recently, you guys know I got tuned. We hit 700 wheel horsepower in, I forgot what month. January, I think. But look, I just got some coils. I'm low now. I'm a low boy. Right now I'm just waiting. All I'm waiting for is all the parts that I've ordered. The main part that I need is a drive shaft, and after I get the drive shaft, I'll get my Q50 transmission installed. I need a Q50 transmission because I know it'll hold the power better, hold the torque. It holds more torque. I have a Q50 transmission actually here on the side yard. Let me go see it. It's basically like a junkyard right here, but this is the transmission. I'm not gonna uncover it because it rains kind of, but it's covered right now. But yeah, the car is just it sucks. I'm trying to make videos, but it's hard when you only have one car and that one car is down. Like, I can drive it, but it's actually also leaking fuel. So I'm gonna have my mechanic, Adele, fix it for me. It's leaking fuel from the fuel line, the fuel return. I think one of the lines got cut by accident. I might have a video I could put in here, but it's leaking fuel, so I don't feel comfortable driving it because I don't want the car to catch on because it's leaking, and I'm pretty sure it's touching the headers, and I don't want like any, this is my baby right here. I don't want anything happening to it. That's fake, but yeah, it's just off right now. I'm about to get the headlights changed. The bumper's just off because I'm gonna change my headlights, and I didn't feel like putting it back on. It's a waste of time. But yeah, I had to park the car inside, but yeah, just waiting for everything to get done. Once that transmission's installed, and I have a transcooler actually in the back as well. That's where I keep all my car parts. I have the transcooler in the back. Once all that's installed, I'm ready to race, and it's gonna be soon. Right now we just got into March. By April, I believe everything should be installed. I just need the drive shaft. Hopefully someone can sell one used. If not, I'm gonna have to wait a little longer. But yeah, I have all the parts ready. I just need that drive shaft. That's it. And I promise I will make more videos. I'm gonna try to make more videos now with other cars and my car's on. Hopefully I can do some stuff to this car. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Like, subscribe, comment, and peace.